All right, let's start with row 1. I've just done a purl 1, and then you're going to repeat yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, all the way to the end, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1, until the last 2 stitches, and in the last 2 stitches you're going to yarn over, slip 1, and purl 1. All right, here's row 2. You're going to start with a purl, that's easy enough, but then it's asking you to bark, B-R-K. Now what does that mean? Let's do our purl and then I'll show you. So a brioche knit, or I always think of it in my head as a bark, is when you knit the yarn over from the row before and the next stitch together. That's really it. And you can see that there's kind of a scarf. That yarn over from the row before sits like a scarf around your knitted stitch. And then we yarn over and slip 1 on this next stitch. The yarn is still in the back for your next bark. Yarn over, slip 1, bark, yarn over, slip 1, bark, all the way to the last stitch. And then you purl the last stitch. All right, in row 2 we got to bark, in row 3 we get to burp. So we start with a purl, and then yarn over, slip 1. Now we're going to burp. And what burping means is purling together the yarn over and the next stitch. That's all it is. So it's like a purl 2 together, but instead of purling 2 stitches together that are fully formed, you're purling the yarn over and the slipped stitch from the previous row. All right, we're going to continue. Yarn over, slip, and burp. And the thing about burping is that you need to remember to bring the yarn to the back when you yarn over and slip, and to the front when you burp. Around the back to yarn over and slip, back to the front for the burp. So I sort of push the yarn to the back as I'm taking the burp off, but if you forget to do that, then purposely bring that yarn to the back, yarn over, slip 1, yarn back to the front for your burp. Yarn to the back and yarn over, slip 1, last 3 stitches is burp, and then yarn over, slip 1, and we end with a purl 1. And then you're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you have a nice long squishy cowl. I know it doesn't look like much yet. Give yourself a few inches and then it's going to turn into that beautiful brioche rib.